Hello, good day. My name is Boy. In the last tutorial, we talked about map method in JavaScript. So now let's talk about pop method in JavaScript. So what is pop method? So the pop method in JavaScript is used to remove the last element from an array and returns that element. It modifies the original array by removing the last item and update the length of the array accordingly. So let's create an example for our pop method. So let's create our um, fruits. And then inside of our fruits, we have array, and then the elements are apple, banana, and orange. Okay, so let's create a variable for to hold our remove fruit. Okay, so let's use our fruits that pop and then open close parenthesis. And then let's console.log our remove fruit. So let's run our code. As you can see here, the remove fruit hold the value of our last index or last element of our array. Since pop removing the last array or element of our array. So let's console the fruits and then run again. As you can see here, the value of new of our fruit array is apple and banana. So yeah, that's it. This that that that's how pop method works. So if you have um any question, or maybe I hope that I explain and give you an example on how pop method works. And if you have any question, just comment below in our comment section. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.